Okay, Kia Sportage 2016 to 2018 version, installed for Convex Android Master, 6.95 inch Android GPS universal DVD player with OEM Canbus socket and OEM Kia Sportage casing, OEM socket plug and play. Connect with original reverse camera and add-on front camera. So let me show you for original reverse camera and reverse sensor, original sensor detect. Okay, auto front cam when you turn to P, parking N or D, auto switch to front camera. You can select it from 1 second to 10-second view. Okay, Kia Sportage. Okay, original reverse camera. And front camera. Okay, Southstream RX2FR 2-inch full range speaker. One more for the active subwoofer. This is anti-power active subwoofer. Okay, OEM Canbus socket connection. Original setting will display. So let me show you for aircon. So aircon display. Okay, styling control. Okay, radio. Okay, Android Master, high spec version, full menu, setting. So you have to turn on Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet. (16 GB storage, 2 GB RAM. Okay, Android version 7.1.2, December 2018. Okay, log in a Gmail account to download app from Play Store. Waze, Google Maps for online maps. Equalizer adjustment. Okay, Bluetooth connection. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling, or after that you click for the A2DP for Bluetooth music. So this player got a DVD slot, okay, SD card slot, and 3 USB slot, USB extension. You put in a drawer. Okay, dim. Okay, brightness adjust. Clear apps, clear it one by one, or press to clear all. Okay. So this is Convex AC-5050 GPS, 6.95-inch Android GPS universal DVD player with OEM casing, OEM Canbus socket plug and play for Kia Sportage 2016 to 2018. Okay, installed by OneBiz. Thank you.